Hey everyone, I am Anjali. My topic is freedom of speech and expression, which is defined in under Article 19(1)(a) of the Constitution of India, which says that all the citizens of India have a right to freedom of speech and expression. This philosophy behind this article lies in our preamble of Constitution, where it says, where a solemn resolve is made to secure to all the citizens their liberty of thoughts and expression. This right of freedom of speech and expression, however, subject to reasonable restriction for some purposes being imposed under Article 19(2) of the Constitution of India. This right is solely available to a citizen of India, not to person belonging to other nation. Only for Indian citizens. The freedom of speech under Article 19(1)(a) include right to express one view and opinion about any kind of issues. It can be done through any kind of medium such as words of mouth, writing, printing, and publication and movies. Such this right is also a restriction reasonable on freedom of speech of any citizen may be imposed as such as by action of the state by its inaction. If failure is found on the part of the state to guarantee all its citizens the fundamental right to speech and expression would constitute a violation of Article 19(1)(a). Thank you.